Hi everyone, this is a bathtub. Renter say they take a shower, so downstairs the ceiling have a water. So after they tap this, then no leaking. But I exam take out. This is a bathtub overflow. Like you want to have a soak inside the water, then you free up the bathtub, so you can have a bathtub enjoy. But when water come out, they worry about you forgot to turn off the water. So when they go out this point, they go through the hole here. You see the hole here, and you can drainage go back this drainage. They on the back they connect to the with this drainage, so go together. Okay, so right now I examine, maybe they take a bathtub. Okay, then water over here, then here the sealer, they have one sealer. This PVC on the back, and the sealer around it, the plastic, okay, rubber around it. But for a long time, he already not good already. I can tell not good already. So these two screw is goes through the PVC, okay, so they can tie the PVC more close to the bathtub. So between them, if the sealer, then they can press it. Then the sealer will be sear. The water go outside of the pipe. Okay. So I find out this two is loose. Not loose. You can tie more. Okay. More pressure to tie more. If you tie more, then the sealer will be more compressed, so the water cannot escape from the sealer. Okay. Yeah, hope you understand my English. But this is mine. I try to tell you the principle. Okay. If you understand the principle, then we can find out how to fix it. Okay. So this is the only way I see in the problem here. Okay. Then they think about the water come from the here too. Okay. Actually it's not. You know the bathtub behind this, all way around the bathtub. Around this they have about 1 inch high, like a wall, okay, build up. So when you are tired, it build up is in front of the extra edge. Okay, so that's 1 inch higher there. So there's no way except that you have a hole there. Otherwise, even if you don't cut it, the water cannot go out. Okay. So that's the only thing I see is a tie more. Okay, to see what's going on. Oh, I think it's not tie. Then they use a bathtub, but they say they don't use a bathtub. And the water drip from here, then that's not much go to the seal, but accumulated maybe a lot. You know, if it is take a shower for a long time, yeah, maybe they can go in. So anyway, tie the seal, we are stopped. Let the water go into the overflow pipe. Okay, so seal here. Okay, I tie already. Okay, so yeah, it's rubber almost rotten. Yeah, but I think should be okay. I already tie as much as I can already. A little bit. This water is no pressure, so don't need to be very. You just stop the water, you know. Yeah. So that's for overflow of the bathtub. Okay. Thank you. Follow me. Transfer for me. Okay. Follow me, follow your heart. Bye bye.